Did you see that scary popular web series of 2017? Black Mirror depicted a woman running from a pack of killer robot dogs. Yeah, that episode was showing scary future of robots. The show's creator later admitted in an interview with Entertainment Weekly that the Bostan Dynamics video were the inspiration. By the way, I'm just want to know that why are media and people keep telling bad stories of science? I mean, people are doing negative marketing without understanding the thing's potential. If you always portraying bad images of future of technologies and science without discussing any solution, then overall motivation of that company and country would be down. We have to speak always better solution. Just like that, in this video, I'm going to provide future of this robot dog Bostan Dynamics on Mars. Let's dive into this. This is Bostan Dynamics, and the company of the Bostan Dynamics is hoping to get the attentions of paying customers. It means they expect that they will become a serial producer of novel robots with advanced capabilities, and they try to build every 3 to 5 years. They're going to roll out a new robot together, a new industry. By the way, this yellow robot that you see walking around this mobility platform that have really nice visual cameras, thermal cameras, microphones, gas sensors, and those let you take the robot into the nesting places and collect data about what's going on. And this machine can look at more things faster in greater details. They never get bored like you. Don't need break. In Bostan Dynamics company, there's lots of kinds of robots, like this human bot called Atlas, Stretch, and Spot. And in this video, I'm going to cover only this robot dog named Spot. By the way, for the making surface of the video contest, over 1,000 potential cave openings have been discovered in satellite pictures of Mars. And you know what's next? NASA has jumped in on and suggested that the 4-legged robot dog could be used to explore the surface of Mars. Researchers suggested that a modified version of the Bostan Dynamics dog-like robot Spot would be an excellent replacement for traditional Mars rovers. While Mars rovers have been definitely amazing, but they are neither more quick nor adaptable. More things. Curiosity, for instance, travels at a decidedly unblistering 0.9 miles per hour across parts of the red planet, and that's roughly a third as fast as most people walk. The prototype robot dog nicknamed AU Spot is capable of moving 3 times fast than Curiosity. It will be ideal for investigating Martian tunnels, an area of great interest among those planning future of manned mission to the planet. The idea is that they are better suited to cover rough terrain and long distances. They could even help map out potential areas for the type of human outpost NASA plans to create on the Mars in the future. Humans may be able to shelter in caves on such journey away from the planet's harsh dust storms, extreme cold, and punishing UV radiation. But these cave locations, which the current rovers can be sent to, AU Spot's remarkable intelligence and exploration ability will allow Earth-bound scientists to determine whether the caves can be really used to the future astronaut. The robot dog can get down inside the such caves, and then it can get itself back out besides its basic capabilities. Spot can also use its hardware to further improve communication, safety, and behavior on remote sites. This robot also comes equipped with a so-called LiDAR, a light detection and ranging technology. The cool thing about the LiDAR system is that it sends out lasers that bounce back, allowing them to measure distance. The returning beam are analyzed by an algorithm to create 3D representation of surrounding objects, a key technology for machines to understand its environment. This allows Spot to intelligently choose between numbers for what paths, making it significantly more versatile tool than existing rover technology. The majority of what rovers do is pre-programmed routine improvisations required connecting with a human controller. By the way, back on Earth, 22 minutes away as the signal flies, Spot also gets communications modules along the way, keep its command people informed of its below the surface. Another fun feature is that can hike around obstacles and stand up its falls over. The idea of sending Spot to Mars could become a reality sooner than you think. Researchers are already putting these plans to the test, equipping the bot with a new gear that helps it navigate and plot its surroundings. For now, scientists are doing test runs in tunnels and hallways that are similar to the Martian terrain in California. And don't think about only Mars. And even next year, we are going to Moon. In the future, we could use that robots for researching and exploring more on Moon too. An entire space where human biology is not capable. By the way, NASA is not only company that sees this robot potential. Instead of, Bostan Dynamics was founded in 1992 by Mark Weber. The company was an offset of Weber's bank on dynamics robots at Carnegie Mellon and MIT. Early on, much of Bostan Dynamics research and development was funded by US military and DARPA. First DARPA and then NASA. By the way, in DARPA's time, in addition to robots, Bostan Dynamics also developed 3D computer simulation software, and this robot LS3 was part of the projects of DARPA and Marines. This was a proof of concept projects show that the robot could actually carry equipment in a useful way for a Marine squad. Some of the Bostan Dynamics as other early creation included Big Dog, which is like LS3, was meant to traverse rough terrain and help soldiers carry gear, and Cheetah, which at its fastest could reach speed 28.3 miles per hour. Pitman was one of the company's first humanoid robots. It was developed for the US Army to test the special clothing used by soldiers for protection against chemical warfare agents. NASA's and DARPA's both are the biggest government organizations where this robot dog against could open a door. By the way, hauling a large truck, climbing up and down stairs, and even dancing to the Bruno Mars. This is a different arm of the Spot with other skills such as closing water tape for plants, picking up clothes from the floor and placing them in a hamper. And it can even write with chalk. And there's also two types of Spot. First for Enterprise, named Spot Enterprise, and second for Explorer, Spot Explorer. Spot Enterprise, which is designed for sensing inspection in dangerous areas, is self-changing, allows to collect data on a regular or on demand basis without the need for human interventions. On the other hand, Spot Explorer is intended for developers who want to explore flexible mobile robots. It can prefer activities ranging from industrial inspection to entertainment. It comes ready to operate with payloads, interfaces, and flexible API. Okay, friends, I want to show you that. Please subscribe my channel. I'm a student. I don't have financial stability. I want to do better work for the benefits of humankind. Please support me. Share your thoughts on comment below. Like the video. This is for today, guys. Bye bye.